In this short video, you'll see a demonstration of two products that can remove silicones from industrial equipment and surfaces: Dow Corning DS-2025 Silicone Cleaning Solvant and Dow Corning DS-1000 Aqueous Silicone Cleaner. A broad variation of silicones is widely used in manufacturing. Unfortunately, spills or buildup on equipment have sometimes been reported, and help to clean up has been requested. Dow Corning cleaning solutions make it easier to remove silicone buildup or spills from manufacturing equipment, floors, and other surfaces. Dow Corning DS-2025 Silicone Cleaning Solvant is used to remove cured silicones from surfaces. In this demonstration, a plastic pipe was coated with Diameter RSN 0749 resin, a curable silicone that, on evaporation of the cyclomethicone, forms a cured film of high molecular weight silicone resin. The silicone was applied to the outside of the pipe to make the results more visible. Next, the pipe was placed in Dow Corning DS-2025 silicone cleaning solvant and left overnight at room temperature. In the morning, the pipe was cleaned by simply rinsing with water and drying. As an additional benefit, Dow Corning DS-2025 silicone cleaning solvant can be collected, stored, and reused up to 10 times, improving cost in use, environmental impact, and sustainability. Dow Corning DS-1000 Aqueous Silicone Cleaner is used for removing uncured silicones. In this demonstration, Diameter PMX 200 silicone fluid 350 CS is poured onto the floor. The uncured silicone fluid can be wiped up with paper tissue, but leaves behind a silicone residue. A 10% aqueous solution of Dow Corning DS-1000 Aqueous Silicone Cleaner removes the residue. Dow Corning DS-2025 Silicone Cleaning Solvant and Dow Corning DS-1000 Aqueous Silicone Cleaner are very effective at removing silicones from industrial equipment and surfaces, no matter if the silicone is liquid or in cured form. Both products help to reduce the risk of microbial or chemical contamination in finished products and contribute to good industrial hygiene and worker safety. Both of these products are commercially available around the globe. To get started, visit dowcorning.com/silicone cleaning, where you'll find a wide range of useful documents, including the technical data sheets, product guide, and case history. For more information about how you can easily clean up your manufacturing equipment, floors, and other surfaces, visit the Dow Corning Silicone Cleaning Solutions webpage.